In the set of natural numbers, each number has a predecessor and a successor except for one, which has no predecessor. Now, is there a largest natural number?
No, there is no largest natural number because we can always add 1 to any number to create a larger one.
Exactly. Natural numbers are infinite. Now I have a challenge for you. Can you find 3 consecutive numbers starting from 15?
Yes, 3 numbers are 15, 16, and 17.
Very good. Now let's learn about how numbers are written in the decimal system. First, can anyone tell me what a decimal system is?
The decimal system is a number system that uses 10 digits from 0 to 9 to write numbers.
Correct. Now, here's a question. When we write the number 356, do you know what each digit represents?
Yes, the 3 represent the 100th place, the 5 represent the 10th place, and the 6 represent the 1st place.
That's it, absolutely right. In the decimal system, the value of a digit depends on its position in a number. Let's break down 356 together.
Sure, the number 356 means 3 hundredths, which is 300, 5 tenths, which is 50, 6 ones, which is 6.
Perfect. So how can we write this number as a sum?
356 equal 300 plus 50 plus 6.
Excellent. In a decimal system, each digit has a specific value based on its place. Now, here is a small challenge. How would we break down the number 1245?
The number 1245 is 1000, which is 1000, 200, which is 200, 4 tenths, which is 40, 5 ones, which is 5. So we can write 1245 equal 1000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 5.
Amazing! You all did a great job understanding the decimal system today. Remember, in this system, every 10 units in one place become 1 unit in the next higher place. Next, we will learn how to write numbers in the Roman numeral system. Have any one of you ever seen Roman numerals before?
I've seen them in history lessons, like in King Louis XIV teacher.
That's right. Roman numerals are an ancient number system that is still used today. Now, look at the board as I introduce some basic symbols. I equal to 1, V equal to 5, and X equal to 10. Now, if I want to write the number 2 in Roman numerals, what should I do?
That would be II, because 1 plus 1 equal 2.
Correct. And what about 3?
That would be 3 because 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3.
Very good. But what about 4?
Is 4?
Not exactly. In the Roman numeral system, when a smaller number is placed before a larger number, we subtract. So instead of 4 letter I, we will write I and V, because 5 minus 1 equal to 4.
Oh, so 9 follows the same rule. And it's ix because 10 minus 1 equal 9, right?
Exactly. Now, let's try a new number. Can you figure out what number this represents?
12 equal 10 plus 2.
Spot on. Now, what about xv1?
16 equal 10 plus 5 plus 1.
Fantastic. Now for a slightly harder one, what number is xx1x?
xxix equal 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1 equal 29.
Excellent. You are on picking this up quickly. Now, here is a challenge. How do we write 48 in Roman numerals?
Let me try. 50 minus 10 plus 5 plus 3. That doesn't seem right.
I got it. 48 is 6L V I because it's L equal 50 minus 10 equal 40 and VII equal 5 plus 3 equals 8.
Perfect. You all have a strong grasp of Roman numerals now. Let's review the key rules. If a smaller number is placed before a larger number, subtract it. If a smaller number is placed after a large number, add it.
At first, Roman numerals seemed a bit tricky, but once I understood the rules, they became much easier.
That's exactly right. Learning math is like solving a puzzle. Once you know the rules, everything makes sense. Alright everyone, we have come to the end of today's lesson. Now, who can summarize what we learned today?
Today we learned about the set of natural numbers
And how to represent natural numbers on a number line.
We also learned how to write numbers in the decimal system.
And we learned how to write numbers in the Roman numeral system.
That's right. You all have a great memory. Now let's see how well you understood the lesson with a few quick questions. Question 1. What is the predecessor of 100?
That would be 99.
Question 2. How can we write 245 as the sum of its place values in the decimal system?
245 equal 200 plus 40 plus 5.
Question 3. If I write XIV in Roman numerals, what number is it?
14 equal 10 plus 5 minus 1.
Excellent. I can see that you all understood the lesson very well. Now, do you think numbers and their representations are interesting? I am so glad to see your enthusiasm. Before we finish, I have a small assignment for you. 1. Draw a number line from 0 to 20 and mark all the even numbers. Number 2. Write 672 as the sum of its place values in the decimal system. And number 3. Write 49 in Roman numerals.
This seems easy.
I can do it too.
I know you all will do great. Now, that's it the end of our lesson today. Thank you for working so hard. See you in the next class.